someday this is gonna be even easier than trying to, you won't even have to hold the phone. Just look. Oh, are you really talking this morning, huh? He's learning the routine. You know what kitty kitty is now, huh? Yeah, you know what kitty kitty is. Oh yeah. All right, so we got 2 bowls. We're gonna take one down at a time, which is gonna be, woo. All right, this is Samurai, not you. Kiki, Samurai, go get. Oh, it's gonna be confusing. Let's get this bowl. Ninja, Kiki, you're over here. That's, oh my God, he's so, oh, good job, good job. Come on. Samurai, what? God, you're so fat, cat. You're so big now. You know, it's not helping that I'm, Samurai, Kiki, come back. Samurai, baby, come back. Hey, no reason to be upset. Come on, get over here, Kiki. Samurai, Ninja, on your bowl. Samurai, Kiki. No reason to be fussy, dude. This has been working out. He's, oh my God, not to the floor. Ninja, oh my God. He's kind of messy. You're messy. Siamese are messy. Hey, Samurai, Kiki. Oh, stop pouting. Kiki, how are you even not? Come here, Kiki. Mr. Bullet trained to his food all the time. Dude, I've got 9 years. No. Samurai, Kiki. What are we being difficult for this morning? I don't even understand. You haven't missed a meal in 9 years. Maybe he's camera shy. Are you camera shy? This little guy's loud. Oh my God. First day we got him, he didn't even want to eat. Not really. Did you, Ninja? But we were gonna name him, we couldn't come up with a good name, actually, I'll tell you. It was pretty easy. Huh, Samurai? But this little guy was a lot more difficult. I was gonna do like Maximus. And then there was like Mittens, because his paws. And then maybe Boots, because when he runs with all those extra little toes hanging out there, it's kind of cool looking. Samurai, I've never seen you pissy like this before. Hmm? Samurai, Kiki? Kiki? You? Kiki? You acting like a baby. Samurai, Kiki? Where's your deal, dude? Good job, Ninja. Keep it up. Ninja, Kiki? All right. Well, this video's not turned out as fun as I thought it was gonna be. What about you? Well, it's gonna be a good record. Yeah. Look at your big old fat self. I bet you weigh 18 pounds right now. And to think, we had you on a diet. Mm-hmm. That didn't work too good. Samurai, you big boy. Come here, Kiki. Why are you not over here eating the food? Is it because I'm right here? I've been regulating a little bit. Just so this little guy can get what he needs to get right now. Because this guy over here obviously gets whatever he needs. Huh, Samurai? You know what? I bet you're the one that ate half that bowl of dry food. Because they got dry food out 24/7 with water. And the wet food is just in the mornings. Fatty right here. Turn away from me, Fatty. And the little guy right here, he gets twice a day, morning and evening. So he can get a chance to grow. Ninja, well, oh my God, he's so loud. He's so messy too. Hey, you wanna say goodbye? Ninja, Kiki? Ninja? I guess not. Well, he's learning kitty kitty real good, aren't you? Yeah. Hey, no. You're good. You're right here. Samurai, Kiki? Dude, you're too awkward to grab with one hand. Look, what's this? Oh my God, what is that? What is your deal? Ninja, no. I'm gonna have to get you guys play fighting later. Come here, Kiki. Come on, Samurai. You can do it. Oh my God, this is like a historical moment for Fat Boy. Get back there, Ninja. Samurai Kiki, I don't know, what the, oh my God, you guys, this is just, is this stuff? That's Samurai, what are you letting him eat your food for? You're the one trying to eat his food all the time. Is it the camera doing it? Ninja. All right, hey. You say bye-bye? You say bye-bye? You're so silly. He's thinking. Yeah, you are. All right, Samurai. You know damn well the minute I walk away from here, he's gonna be sneaking out here and he's gonna try to eat all the food. All right, eat up, Ninja. All right.